Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Lexus seat. First, locate the main controls, usually on the side of the seat. Use the horizontal lever to move the seat forward or backward, ensuring comfortable pedal reach. Then, adjust the vertical lever to raise or lower the seat, aiming for clear road visibility. Finally, recline the seat back to a comfortable, supportive angle for your back. Next, let's fine-tune your lumbar support. Find the dedicated button or switch, often a small circle or cross, to adjust the firmness and position of the lower back support. This helps maintain your spine's natural curve. Then, adjust the headrest so its center aligns with the top of your ears or the middle of your head and is about 2 inches from your head for safety. Many Lexus models offer memory settings, a fantastic feature for multiple drivers. Once you have your perfect driving position, press the SET button, usually located near the seat controls. Immediately after, press one of the numbered buttons, like 1 or 2, to save your settings. Now, you can easily recall your personalized position with a single press. Finally, integrate your seat settings with the steering wheel and mirrors. Adjust the steering wheel's tilt and telescoping position so your wrists rest comfortably on the top. Then, set your side mirrors to minimize blind spots, showing just a sliver of your car. Adjust the rearview mirror to frame the entire rear window, completing your personalized driving environment.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.